I can't believe I got schooled by them speakers. Now I know I can't hang with them 2K dudes. It's alright, cause I'm feeling real good after being repaired. Feeling like a new amp.
Hey, what's good? Never seen you before.
Yeah, I was out of service for a while, but I got a new job here. What's your name?
I'm 250, but people call me Sleeper, because I'm very underrated.
Alright, cool. I think we'll get along just fine.
We'll get along just fine, but, you and 1K over there might have a problem.
Oh no! Y'all getting down like that in this box? I can't play with mismatched speakers. Are you trying to send me to Clip City?
Me and 1K been together for years. The only thing that keeps coming and going is you imps.
If you two keep playing together, y'all gonna roast every amp that comes in here. Idiots.